National French Dip Day is celebrated on November 12 each year. This day is very popular among sandwich and meat lovers. Chefs use this day as an opportunity to experiment with different variations of this sandwich and give their patrons a wide variety of tastes to try out. The fact that this day is celebrated across the length and breadth of the United States proves just how well loved this unique sandwich is. Cole's Pacific Electric Buffet, situated in Los Angeles, is one of the first restaurants that served the popular French dip sandwich. And National French Dip Day marks the 110th anniversary of Cole's restaurant, which opened on November 12, 1908. French dip is a roast meat sandwich where the juices of the roast meat are collected and served separately as a side dish to the sandwich. The sandwich is then dipped in the gravy. Cole's began serving the French dip sandwich in 1908. The sandwich was specially prepared for a customer who had sore gums and could not chew his roast beef sandwich. The customer asked the restaurant's chef, Jack Garlinghouse, to moisten the sandwich bread with some roast meat juice. Soon, more and more customers started asking for the same sandwich, and it became one of the top-selling dishes of the restaurant. Cole's is one of the first restaurants that came up with the idea of serving roast beef juice with their sandwich. However, another popular restaurant, Philippe's, claims that its owner, Philippe Mathieu, is the inventor of the sandwich. Since both restaurants have been operating since the early 1890s, it is still difficult to identify the original creator of the sandwich. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.